Alright, so here's the YitaMotor 52-inch curved light bar. Comes nicely packaged with the relay switch and all the mounting hardware, and it comes with instructions. And we're going to go ahead and install it. Alright, so first, after unboxing your light bars, you're going to want to go ahead and install these brackets onto the car with some screws or bolts that are not provided with the kit, but we did ours custom made, so don't worry about that. But you're just going to basically want to secure it the best you can to the roof, so that way it can handle the winds of your vehicle moving. And you're going to want to kind of get it centered as good as you can and figure out where exactly you want it on the vehicle, and then go from there. And once that's done, I'll get to the next part. The next step is you're going to want to find a way to get the wires into your vehicle. In this case, I drilled a hole to get the wires through the vehicle's roof, and then I'm going to use silicone to seal up the hole. And the next step is you're going to want to wire this up to the loom. It's just positive and negative, and you'll see two stripped ends, and you'll need 2 wire nuts or butt connectors to do that. And then you're going to run the wire through your firewall, that you'd probably do first, and then mount your button switch wherever you want it. It's got sticky tape conveniently on one side. And then you're going to want to hook up your black and your red to the positive and negative of the battery, the red to the positive and the black to the negative, and then it should be ready to go. Now everything's all nice and buttoned up, got it zip tied up just out of the way. Now we're going to close the hood and then see how it works. Alright, this is with my phone's flashlight off. Go ahead and fire them up. Wow. It's tripping out my phone's camera because they're so bright. That is one heck of a light bar. So go ahead and check these out at YitaMotor. They're great light bars. Great value. They come with all the stuff that you need to install them. Make sure you get the right one for your vehicle, and yeah, they're good stuff.